Hi, I'm Eric from PAC, here to talk to you about amplifier integration. Many of today's vehicles have large integrated radios, climate controls that are integrated into the radio, Bluetooth, backup cameras, USB inputs, lots of nice features that you don't want to lose. But let's be honest, the amplified system in many of these vehicles is kind of lacking. Now, in order to install an aftermarket amplifier or amplifiers in these vehicles, you need expensive summing devices that are difficult to install and require cutting all the factory wires. To simplify that and simplify your installation and save you lots of time and money, we've developed AmpPRO. AmpPRO is a plug-and-play module, comes with a harness that plugs in between your factory radio and your factory amplifier. From there, our module reads the CAN bus signals and provides a flat audio output, which is perfect for adding an amplifier or multiple amplifiers to your vehicle. When you turn the factory radio volume up, it increases the output from our AmpPRO module, so that automatically feeds your amplifier with more sound. This is a fast, easy way to upgrade your vehicle and install a subwoofer amplifier or multiple amplifiers in many of late model vehicles. The AP4-FD21 is compatible with Ford and Lincoln models, including the F-150, Super Duty, Explorer, Edge, and Focus, to name a few. For more information about AmpPRO and full list of application guides, visit our website.